So I noticed my Grohe faucet. Here's the faucet itself was loose on this handle. Basically, it was put it back. Basically, it was twisting very easily, so the handle kept falling down. So the way I fixed it was taking out this part right here. I use one of my multi-tools, Swiss Army knife, and took out this part. Let me try to do it again in video. It's not so easy. It sits on a groove. Okay, there we go. See, it sits on these two grooves right here. This one, and this one. So then after I opened it, I have to just screw this tighter, and that made it much tighter. Now it won't come off by itself. So that's how you fix it. To put this thing back on, you just gotta push it back in. It comes off. So that's how I fixed it. Anyways, hope this helps someone.